Hello, this is a video to make an update about the Advantest Spectrum Analyzer LCD retrofit kit I've been discussing on my channel, also on two forums, Advantest forum and EV blog forum. So I finally end up finding the best solution so far. So after doing some internal modification and hacking, so you see here I found the LCD, so the outside stays unchanged. You can select a color for trace A, trace B. Here it's another example. So everything can be accessed very easily. Here you have the RGBS converter, which was designed by an engineer in Norway. I had to modify a bit, so everything would fit inside. Then here you have the RGBS or the CGA transformer to VGA, and below you have a LCD driver going here, and the result is really neat. Everything is easy access. Here you can, with a screwdriver, you can change the color, so you've got 4 tracers, you can choose 4 colors. Here you can eventually tune, the position, horizontal, vertical, and here the intensity, many things, and everything fits nice. You see, I try to, it's a bit difficult. There's been a lot of work to do, so you see at the end everything is inside, and you can also, I moved, you see the battery who stores the parameters, easy access, everything, and I take the opportunity of this video also to say that I'm gonna sell, if persons are interested, one of these spectrum analyzer. They're working fine. They've been reconditioned with this kit, so no more CRT. And I plan also, this one does not have the tracking generator. I still need some parts, but if you're interested, do not hesitate to make an offer. So again, thank you for viewing, and stay tuned. Bye-bye.